Of the Kyasi Universal Bluetooth Keyboard Case for 7 to 8 inch tablets. These devices can run on any platform in terms of operating system, from Android to iOS with an iPad mini, or even Windows if you have a smaller Windows-based computer or a tablet PC that you want to use this case with. This is designed by Kyasi and can be purchased on Amazon.com for a price of around $50, which is pretty inexpensive for a Bluetooth keyboard that offers a wireless ability to type out messages. So it's great for writing out emails, writing out longer memos. Again, it uses Bluetooth 3.0. It has a synthetic leather build, which is pretty nice. It has a soft touch material here. Has this chiclet style keyboard. And as far as Bluetooth is considered, it has up to 60 hours of standby, 30 days of standby mode, and up to 60 hours of usage before you have to charge it, which takes about 2 hours in our testing to fully charge. And the range for the actual Bluetooth is about 10 meters, which is pretty good as well. So the packaging includes, of course, an instruction manual, the device itself, and of course we also have access to a micro USB cable for you to actually charge the lithium-ion rechargeable battery inside the actual Bluetooth keyboard. Taking a look at the Kyasi Bluetooth keyboard device itself, you can see how it has a very nice design to it. We have the logo embedded right on the top here, and we have a kind of traditional flap here which allows you to protect your device while it's actually situated within this case. So it isn't just a Bluetooth keyboard. You can also put your tablet in here full time and just use it as your regular case, which is pretty nice. On the back here we have access to this prop stand, which is held by a magnetic flap. We can open it up like so, and as a result you can prop up your tablet as you're typing at a comfortable angle, and also it's great for watching videos and browsing the web at a better and enhanced angle. So you can see it's a pretty complementary system and definitely is a pretty stylish design overall that we are fans of. Opening up the actual case itself, we see that inside we have access to the keyboard itself. What's interesting about this kind of universal 7 to 8 inch design is the fact that instead of having a fit mold for a particular tablet, it works for, again, an iPad mini or even an Android device such as a Kindle Fire HD 7-inch will work just fine. And in order to accommodate for different sizes of different devices, it actually uses these Velcro straps, and these Velcro straps allow the device to be stretched, and so the corners will be able to be held for virtually any tablet with that 7 to 8 inch dimension. So for example, if we wanted to stretch the corners here, you can see how it works just fine for the Kindle Fire HD 7-inch, and even for the newer generation models will work just fine as well. What's also nice is that the device itself has a soft touch felt material on the sides and on the back, so when your tablet is in place, it's not going to scratch the material when you're putting it in there, which is quite nice. Taking a quick look at the actual keyboard part of this case itself, it's the island style chiclet layout, which is extremely impressive for such a pretty good valued case. This is a pretty nice keyboard because it offers really good tactile responses. It offers a great offset experience, so when you're typing on it, it's really tactile, it's really responsive, and you have a great tactile kind of feedback when you're using it in general. So the impressive thing about this keyboard is that you can get to a pretty high speed, surprisingly high speed compared to other keyboards we've tested as accessory devices for tablets and other platforms. So taking a look at this keyboard, we have a smaller spacebar than a traditional sized keyboard, and that's because, again, at 7 to 8 inches, this is a smaller sized device in general, and so you're going to have a more squished keyboard experience, but still the keys are fairly large, and so with a little bit of acclimation, I think that you can get used to it. And I found myself typing at a fast speed after taking about 10 minutes to get adjusted to it. So it definitely takes a little bit of a learning curve, but overall it still is very easy to use. The top features a dedicated row of icons for you to use corresponding to either your Android or Windows platforms. They allow you to zoom in and out of the screens, allow you to adjust the contrast ratio of the screens. They allow you to have some media controls, some volume controls, along with a 4-way navigation toggle at the bottom. There's also a Windows key here in case you have a 8-inch Windows tablet. And you can also use it, of course, with this case via Bluetooth. Turning a device on and off is very simple. We simply slide it to the right here to turn the device on, and after the product is actually turned on, we can just press on the Bluetooth logo and the product itself will officially turn on, and you can see a LED indicator start to flash below a mirror surface on the bottom here. The LED indicator here is also used to show you when the case is starting to charge, again, which takes about 2 hours to fully complete on this keyboard. Something else really nice about this particular keyboard case is that it has a kind of offset downwards design where the actual layout of the keyboard itself is below the surface of the actual soft touch material and the palm rest here. And this is nice because as a fully functioning case, it means that when you're closing up the case, the actual keyboard itself is not going to be hitting the screen. Instead, the soft cushion parts are going to be touching the screen, and so it provides for a really complementary case experience in addition to being a great Bluetooth keyboard. Taking a look at how easy this device is to set up, we're going to unlock our device and just head into kind of the menus, see if the accelerometer is turned on. It is, so we're going to flap this out to the side, and we're going to simply go into our settings over here, go into our Bluetooth settings, and see if we are connected. And it seems that right now we are connected indeed. Tapping on that, we're going to enable Bluetooth. And it's pretty easy to set up and start using the Bluetooth keyboard as well. It's pretty easy. We can just tap on the Bluetooth keyboard over here. To fully connect, it's going to prompt us with a code for which we will press on the actual keyboard itself to actually get connected. So we've already connected once and it's remembered the code, so in this case we don't even have to do that. But it says we are connected now. We can go home. And if we wanted to go to a particular application, for example, such as our email client over here, we can go to our email client, compose a new email message, and then we can create a subject here and show you how the keyboard actually works. So again, this will work with virtually any platform. Kindle Fire HD is actually a variant of Android, so of course all Android devices will work just fine. So this is a test, and the device, again, you can control the power on and off as well on the side over here. So you can control all those settings. I'm going to press enter, so a new space here. This is a test, and so it works pretty well. We're in cap blocks right now, so we can kind of zoom in and show you how that works exactly. This is a test with some spelling errors because I'm looking through the camera as I'm typing. But you can see that the response time is pretty impressive. As I am typing, everything is almost instantaneous on screen. So there's little to no lag between what you're doing on screen on the keyboard and what actually occurs and pops up on screen. And this rate is really impressive and shows that the product is quite responsive and that the Bluetooth connectivity is also quite strong. So we do like that. So overall, this is definitely a great case if you're looking for a Bluetooth/case option that's well designed, offers a great value, and has a pretty stylish look to it, at least in our opinion. So if you are looking for all of these attributes in one package, we think that this particular case will definitely appeal to you. And so that you can check this out on Amazon, and be sure to check out our full written review down in the description box below. But that's it for our video review. So thanks for watching, everyone, here at OS Reviews. This has been our video review of this universal Bluetooth keyboard case for 7 to 8 inch tablet PCs.